Good afternoon, everyone. It is week number 4, May 9th for Kyushu Institute of Technology, 7D. It is just after Golden Week. I hope you had a good vacation, and now we'll be able to really get to work, at least all the way into the one holiday, which is actually in July. But we don't have a lot of holidays between now and the one holiday in July for Umi no Hi. In any case, let's take a look at what we have to do for this week at least. Okay, let's see. I don't need to show you that, which is my class planning. Someone just entered the room here. But today, we're going to be going over your Quizlet material, which you'll be able to use for your next important person or thing, your manuscript submission, which is due on May 15th, which is this Sunday, and again at 11 o'clock. So this is your second video that you'll be doing. We'll do the same cycle. This week, you'll be giving the main manuscript, and we'll be doing some exercises that you can try for your fluency, but you can also take a look at putting that into your manuscript. Then next week, on week 5, we'll be trying to improve that manuscript. And then in week 6, you'll be doing your video for that particular chapter. Now, speaking of videos, last night was your deadline for your last video, the self-introduction video. And I'll be very honest with you, I have not had a chance to look at those videos yet because the deadline was just last night, but I'm sure they're going to be okay. Once I get a look at them though, probably by next week, I'll be able to give you some more feedback, and we'll be giving each other feedback next week as well, and the week after, before you have to do your next set of videos. But I would probably say that if you had a problem with it, it's because you didn't trust your English well enough to be able to do it without using notes or trying to memorize. If you try to memorize a speech, you always sound like you memorize your speech. If you try to use notes, you always sound like you're reading notes. And you can probably remember some of the teachers that you've had even in this school who don't use notes, and how much better they sound because they sound like they're speaking to you personally. They sound like they're having a conversation. So when you're doing these videos, I haven't seen your videos yet, and maybe you've done a very good job. But if some of you had a difficult time, my suggestion is for the next video that you'll do in about 3 weeks, try to do it naturally. Don't practice too much. Don't try to memorize, and certainly don't read notes. If I catch you reading notes, your grade is going to fall. But that's not for a little while. We're going to be doing some Quizlet, and we're going to be doing some exercises in fluency. But otherwise, you just have to do the one important person thing, manuscript submission. Okay. If you have any questions, please make sure that you contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com. Otherwise, you can also talk to me at the end of this class. Thanks very much.